Okay, good morning everybody. So let's go. Running a little late here. It is 7:50 a.m. B2263 on the Forex. So we are going to do the S just after the Forex. I'll bang the Forex quickly. If you look at the past videos, okay, for the past week or two, look at the last couple of videos. We called the 124.5 on the euro. Look, just perfect. He went to the 124.5 cluster, cross recross with a lower high, okay, and going back to that famous 121.20. So we are stuck in the euro between 121.20 and the 24.5 cluster. That's the bottom line. As of now, you have the 22.20 support there. It breaks, we'll go towards the 21.20. Okay, otherwise the big picture 121.20, 124.5, we had called that. He recrossed, that was a good, and we call it there, when he was close to 121 going to the 24.5. So that was a good one. Watch the previous videos. So now, if it continues like this, there's a 122.20 test and the 121, which is the biggie. Okay, let's go to the ES now, because the yes is the big one and the yes is tricky in the ping pong zone here. Okay, hold on one sec. Here we have the lines. Okay, here we go. That's the way I wanted to look at it. But let's go to the yes, big picture on the yes. The 1 2 3 formation, remember the higher highs, higher lows since March. That's the big picture on your ES. You see all that boom, 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 boom. I mean, we made a higher low since 2009. We finally broke it here at 1150. We retested the lows of February 1st here at 1040 and made a double bottom 1040 from February the 1st to the 1036. That's the big picture. And that's the range. 1036, 1040 to the 1140. 1147, 1150. We touched 1130 yesterday. So, if you zoom within that range, you'll see it's even more tricky because now within the 1 2 3 formation, what's going on? Let me show you. You have lower highs from the 1200. Let me put like a burgundy color or whatever. Purple here. You have a lower high and you have that higher lows now. See what I mean? Oh, you got the wrong thing. So let's see. Okay, right there. So you see, this is going to be ping pong all of that zone. And that zone is what? 1055, the big picture, to the 1135. Look at this. This is going to be is this going to be our summer ping pong range? Okay? And if it is, it's not cool. Okay? Let's go without due to the zone. That was the big picture. So, if you look at the zones yesterday, we were called in the video we did the pre-market with the live room. Okay? This 1133, 1135 here. We went to 1130, so by 3 points. Okay, that was the top. And they started a double top. What was surprising to me, okay, was that they broke it. Because my intention was, okay, they are going to double top this thing and hold that cluster here at the 15, 17 area. And they did not. Later in the afternoon, they tank it. They tank it below the cluster and look, boom. And what they've done is they retested a level. Look, on 616 they tested that 1102. On 617, 1102. Yesterday, same, the 03. Okay, and same here. So this here, this 1100, 1103 has been tested many times. The big support on the retracement, because those are still considered retracement, they are retesting support on retracement. The big one is going to be 95 for your big picture and the 85 below. If we can hold 85 and 95, the longs are still in command. But even if the 85 breaks, I just showed you the big picture on the daily, remember? Right there, that the higher lows and lower highs are in command around 10:55 to 11:30. So it's going to be a tricky ping pong summertime here on the ES. And what that means really, in my opinion, is that now at this point we have to be prepared to really be able to do shorts and longs. Longs are still in command in the trend because most of the trades we've took for the past 2 weeks have been longs. Okay, we've tried to stay as long as possible to the 1, 2, 3 formation range rebounding. But this is bad. This is the type of ranges that you have to be able to play everything. Look, it went down to 1103, went back to 14, retraced back 50%, retake here. So the big one is going to be 95.85 to the retest. You have lower high in place. Your resistance are established right now at 0812 and the big one at 17. That's it. You have it like this. Boom. It's even the trend line. So you have resistance between 08 and that 17, 0812, and then the 17 cluster here. Okay, and you have lower high in place. You have the 95 and the 85 on the bottom. The other lines, I will not look at it. I'm looking at the most important clusters, and it's going to be 95, 85. Okay, that's it. You have everything. The longs comes back if they are able to re-pierce that cluster of 17, 19 here towards that 35. Okay, and otherwise the retracement continues lower high slowly but surely towards that 95 and 85, and I show you the summer range which could be 1055, 1060, okay, to the 1135, which is not a this is not going to be great. It's going to be ping pong. Okay, so see you later. I'll see you Thursday on the social media. Stay tuned for our new format coming soon. People have asked me questions I cannot answer yet because we have not defined everything, but I think you'll appreciate it. It'll be something that will be helpful and live for a little bit every day, but we have not really finalized the details. You take care, everybody, and we expect to have those details finalized within 3 weeks top. Okay? Take care, everybody.